northwestern Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 6:45 a.m. At 5:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Slinger, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northern Milwaukee, Menominee Falls, Mequon, Hartford, Whitefish Bay, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, Sussex, Jackson, Fox Point, Slinger, Bayside, Thiensville, Germantown, Glendale, River Hills, Lanyon, Richfield, and Munches. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Slipsodaba Nature Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.